you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold. Thank you guys for being here today. I said I would get this video out. It is coming out. The top 5 watch list for our weekly plays. If you are new to the Strat, new to trading, new to the channel, or struggling in your trading journey, guys, this channel is going to change the way that you guys trade. Okay, the first thing I need you to do is go down below, click that subscribe button, and then hit the bell. The bell is the important part. That gives you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this one every single day. Okay, this is our top 5 weekly swing play. I send out top 5 daily plays. I send out a main watch list for daily plays. I've got over 200 videos for you guys to learn from, okay? You can also follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. Okay, if you have questions, you can DM me there and ask away. I will get them answered for you. You can comment there as well. Let's get into the good stuff. A couple of things. One, this platform that we use here, this chart that I show you guys, is called TradingView. So if you're looking for something like this, there's a link in the description below. That link will give you a free 30-day trial to TradingView. If you like it, you can then use one of the subscriptions that they have and get up to $30 off depending on the subscription if you use that link down below. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, I now have my own Strat indicator. It's called the Griswold Strat. You cannot find it in the indicator tab. Okay, you have to either use the link down below or you have to use the link in my profile, the Linktree link, and it'll be in there. It's $25. It's a one-time payment, and you have the indicator for life. It gives you this time frame indicator here. It paints these inside bars and puts the little tabs on it for you. Paints the outside bars, puts a tab on it for you. Marks the 3-1 setups with a yellow highlighter here. Marks the double inside bars with a blue highlighter. Gives you the candlestick numbers down below. It also gives you the indicators for Sarah Strat Sniper's 50% rule. Gives you those 50% markers on the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. Okay, so you can get it through the link down below or through my profile link, okay, on Linktree. And the last thing, guys, and then we'll get into the top 5 watch list, are the ads. Those ads keep these videos free for you guys, so I'm asking you to let those ads roll through. Go get a drink, go get a snack, let the ads roll through. I know it sucks and I know it's annoying, but I'd rather have you guys keep your money in your pocket and in the stock market than paying for me to start a Discord and have all this stuff in there for you guys, okay? So let's get to the top 5. Number 1 on the list, and these are in no particular order, we have American Airlines, AAL. AAL has this 3-1 setup, outside bar, inside bar. Outside bars break the low and the high of the previous candle, and inside bars stay within the range of the previous candle. And I heard OG Trades today on ADEX Trades Twitter Spaces talk about how he loves those inside bars. I'm the same way. I love those inside bars, okay? And it's for the same reasons. And when I first started becoming successful at trading, that's what I traded, was inside bars. And so you can go back and look at any inside bar on any time frame, and the probabilities show us that they're very successful off of the breaks of those inside bars. And even looking at this one here and this one here, this is a little bit different because it's a 3-1 setup. So watch, I'm going to go back in time. If you have this indicator, it's that simple. I found 2 of them back to back. 3-1, 3-1. Okay, so this one ended up being an outside bar. If we go look at this one here, we triggered. And there was no way we were hitting that target way up there, but you had some good gains there. I think there's another 3-1 in here, so we can go look at that one as well. I just mean on a different ticker. But off of this 3-1, okay, we're going to take calls at 14.27, puts at 12.55. The day and the week show green, but we don't know what they're going to be until the market opens up on Monday. The month and the quarterly are definitely showing green. But again, if we trigger to this downside, it's not going to take anything except for this first target for us to be red on this thing, okay? And I think actually if we go to the monthly, what's this point here? If this trigger is at 12.55 and we go to the month, there it is right there. So before we even trigger, we would be all red. So this time frame very well could be all green when we open up, or it could be all red if we trigger to the downside. It really doesn't matter for this one, and that's one of the reasons that I have this one in play for us, okay? The next one is NEO. NEO, I think, has a 2 down that finished green. Wait for that chart to pull up. There it is. So we are looking on NEO for a 3. This is an outside bar. It's marked there. We have that indicator showing us 3, 2 down, 2 up reversal is what we're looking for. The month and the quarterly are both sitting at green. Okay, so we'll look for this day and this week to be green as well. We can take calls at 23.36. Our first target on the weekly swing would be at 24.47. I'd be taking a 23.50 call on this one, and I'm getting 1 to 2 weeks out on it, okay? Number 3 on the play is Citigroup, ticker symbol C. And again, same play as NEO. We've got a 3, 2 down, 2 up reversal is what we're looking for. So we have a failed 2 here. It's a 2 down green. We can look for calls at 47.56 off of this 3, 2, 2 reversal on Citigroup. Docusign, DOCU, setup number 3. Again, 3-1 setup, outside bar, inside bar. We can look for calls on this thing at 68.39. It looks like 68.40. And guys, if we go to the daily chart, we've got a single inside bar. The double inside is on CCL. That one's coming up. So inside bar on Docusign. We go to the weekly. It's a 3-1 setup. So again, this is where that inside bar is sitting. So it's, if we trigger on the daily, we are going to trigger on the weekly to the upside. That's why Docusign is on here. It is multiple breaks on multiple time frames that we're looking at on Docusign. And again, we can go back and find the 3-1s. Here's that blue paint I was talking about, that highlight. So that blue highlights the double inside bars for us, so we can quickly identify them. And then if we go a little bit further up, there's that 3-1 setup. And here it is. Trigger, target 1, target 2, target 3 for a beautiful, beautiful run on Docusign. Okay, PayPal is up next. This is play number 4. Sorry, play number 5. And this one has, again, multiple breaks here is what we can be looking for. We can look for calls on this one at 75.40 off of this inside bar, okay, or puts at 68.76. And again, if we go to the daily on PayPal, we have this 1, 2 down that finish green, 2 up reversal. So a 1, 2, 2 Rev Strat. If we trigger to the upside on the day and hit through the first 2 targets, we have just triggered to go long on the weekly on CCL. Hey, maybe, on PayPal. Now CCL has the 3-1 setup. And again, let's go back and look. There's the 3-1 setup. We found it because of that Griswold Strat indicator. And you guys have been asking, how do I get those highlights? How do I get the painted outside bar, inside bars? You guys can now get it. Okay, outside bar, inside bar. And look at this break off the trigger and hit first targets. Beautiful, beautiful play. Actually, this was looks like it gapped up. It did. came up and then reversed back down to the downside. Is there one more 3-1 setup here? There's another double inside bar, another double inside bar. Oh, we're not going to find it. We're not going to go back that long. I want to get this video done for you guys because you're probably watching it in the AM, and I need you guys to be ready for your trading, okay? So 3-1 setup. Calls we can take at $9.53. Puts at $8.15. Watch what happens if we go back to the daily. This is on our top 5 list for the dailies. We have a double inside bar. And guys talked about Roblox and how well Roblox worked out. Lyft was another one, guys. They don't always work out. Lyft didn't work out on that double inside bar on Friday as well as Roblox did. But Roblox was a banger. We're going to hope for Carnival to be a banger as well. Calls on this one we can take here. And if we have second targets, we are triggering to the long side on the weekly as well. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and CCL with that double inside bar trigger on the daily was our bonus play. Guys, that's the video. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. I send out day setups throughout the day. If they pop up, I send them out. If somebody sends me something, I retweet it for you guys. So you guys don't have to be looking for stuff all the time. If I find stuff, I'm sending it out there for you guys to look at and possibly jump in. Okay, so make sure you're following me there. Subscribe down below. Click that bell. Watch those ads. And don't forget about the links down below for the Griswold Strat indicator, for the TradingView free trial for new users only, and also the Griswold Gold membership that I've started as well. Guys, good luck trading on Monday. I hope you're green, and we will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.